Hi everyone, my name is Aمیري, Afghanistan national football team player. As a professional, I'm playing in the national team from last 15 years. From the first day, I'm just chasing my dream, to be honest. I'm playing professionally from the age of 12. I started professionally and then I selected for the national team at the age of 15. So it's been 15 years I'm playing for the national team. And I'm playing in the Indian Premier League also from last 11 years. So yeah, this is I think this is one of the hardest time for all of us, that this COVID-19 is a very dangerous thing that it happened. So I hope everyone is safe, I hope everyone is healthy, I hope everyone is home with their loved one, and yeah, it's difficult as a professional, to be honest. I never faced these circumstances, and yeah, for me to be away from the football ground for so many months, it is not normal. But yeah, I keep training at home. I keep doing some stuff at home to just be myself busy, to just keep me in shape, and I hope everything starts soon. So first of all, I just want to now at the end say that please everyone take this COVID-19 serious. I hope all of you stay home, wash your hand regularly, and just I want to thank all the frontliner, to be honest, all the policemen, all the nurses, all the doctors, that day and night they're working for us. So I hope everyone is safe, and thank you so much. Take care.